good day. Say something about myself. My name is Abdul Sami. I am 4 years old. I live in Dhaka city. My father's name is Saiful Shuman. My mother's name is Saidapur City. My brother's name is Abdul Sai. My family is 4 members. My mother, my brother, my dad, and me. My father is engineer. My mother is housewife. My brother is Hafiz, and me is student. I am from Dhaka city. My favorite color is red. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite person is my mother and father. Bye bye.
আপনার সন্তানকে ইংলিশ শেখাতে আজই যোগাযোগ করুন ইংলিশ মাস্টার, দক্ষিণ বনশ্রী, শাপলা বিল্ডিং সংলগ্ন, লিফটেড 3, ব্লক কে।